Hi, my name is Shi Quan, FLEXIVERSE CEO, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to FLEXIVERSE 2023. Today, we are going to share with you some of FLEXIVERSE's latest products and technology, including our robot arm hand brand, our explorations of how robots can benefit different industries, and talk about the future of robotics. For the first time, we will unveil some extraordinary projects that use FLEXIVERSE's human-inspired innovation philosophy and delve into some of the things we have been doing to push the robotics industry forward. We all know humans can complete complex tasks in challenging environments and react quickly to changes. Well, providing they've had their coffee, that's it. Compared to a human, most machinery equipment relies highly on precise vision, accurate trajectory, and fixed environment, which has great difficulty operating in an environment that has changed even slightly. Even though labor bottlenecks are an increasing concern for manufacturers, many tasks still can't be automated with traditional robots. And that's why when we created the first adaptive robot, we didn't look at technology for inspiration. We look at the natural world. We chose the path of human-inspired innovation to make robots work more efficiently and effectively. Adaptive robots use precise force control and artificial intelligence to perform tasks in a similar manner to a person, using cameras for sight, force control for manipulation with feeling, and AI for judgment and learning. An adaptive robot can adapt to changing environments and modify its actions accordingly. And that's why we call them adaptive robots. Our force sensing technology is one of the things that I'm very proud of. We were able to take force sensor accuracy down to 0.03%. Not only is this level the best in the industry, but it's reliable day in and day out. A robot with low force sensor accuracy is like having a car with a faulty speedometer. Sure, you may be able to guess how fast you are going, but it's always better to know for certain. But if that happens to your hands, without the sense of touch, you will probably become quite clumsy. By optimizing our robot's joint design, force control servos, control algorithms, and other fundamental hardware and software, we were able to raise the control accuracy and response speed of the robot so that it was similar to the conditioned reflex of a muscle. Our unique whole-body control algorithm, which mimics the human cerebellum, enables adaptive trajectory and real-time pose adjustment of the robot, so as to reject disturbance and complete tasks reliably. Also, we have developed a series of specific and effective force control algorithm modules by imitating how people commonly manipulate objects with different techniques in diverse working states. Our artificial intelligence system, again, takes its cues from nature and is built on top of the adaptive ability of conditioned reflexes and cerebellum. This AI-driven robot brain, for want of a better word, can be concentrated on its recognition and decisioning tasks. Which AI technology is more powerful for? And this hierarchical implementation helps to achieve more comprehensive intelligence that enables a broader range of applications. We launched our first adaptive robot, Ryzen 4, in Hanover, 2019, and released Ryzen 4S and Ryzen 10 in the next following years. The Ryzen series was the culmination of years of work in human-inspired robotics. With its 7 degrees of freedom and innovative hardware and software, it can fully replicate the dexterity of a human arm. In 2020, we achieved mass production status and also delivered key proof of concept projects like sending, assembly, and mobile manipulation. Since last year, we have made breakthroughs and major improvements in surface treatment and precision assembly applications. We have also achieved an important application milestone, delivering our first adaptive assembly line and being able to apply the technology to other customers. And in 2022, we improved FLEXIVE elements our unique graphical programming system and released the robot development kit, so programmers of any ability level could create and optimize automation solutions and deploy it efficiently. Our Ryzen series of adaptive robots feature 7 degrees of freedom and force control, enabling them to operate with the same versatility as a human arm. Although the Ryzen series provides exemplary performance, we noticed that some applications don't require 7 degrees of freedom, but still need force control. What if we created a robot that only focuses on the translational motions in 3 degrees of freedom, but included a force control capability? What would it look like? With this in mind, we have explored a variety of designs and finally came to the answer: an adaptive parallel robot, Moonlight. Moonlight is the world's first force control parallel robot, ideal for applications that require precise motion and force control, such as screw fastening, precise loading, and polishing. Moonlight delivers unparalleled flexibility and adaptivity. There are many different types of Delta robots on the market, normally with a light payload but high speed and motion accuracy, best suited for applications such as pick and place and packaging tasks. These robots are in the form of parallel mechanism, which is one of the most elegant implementations for a 3 degrees of freedom robot. By integrating FLEXIVERSE force control technology, we reinvented the parallel robot with innovation both in hardware and software, and finally created Moonlight. We are confident that Moonlight will bring increased automation adoption by enabling more cost-effective and creative automation solutions to be developed. To tell you more about Moonlight, I'd like to welcome Xuesen to the stage.
Hello everyone, my name is Xuesen. As Shiquan has mentioned, our new Moonlight robot can use hand-eye coordination to complete complex tasks, just like a human being. Precise force control is the key ingredient. So, as FLEXIVERSE's very first Delta robot, how is the force control performance of Moonlight compared to Ryzen? Before jumping into the technical details, let me start by briefly introducing the essential characteristics of Moonlight, which are high precision force control, powerful adaptability, and great usability. Moonlight uses the same joint sensors and force control technology as Ryzen and an optimized parallel kinematic systems, allowing it to demonstrate superior real-time force control planning and disturbance rejection. In addition, featuring higher payload, faster speed, and improved efficiency and versatility, Moonlight can easily automate complex force-based tasks and adapt to changing environments and a variety of application scenarios. Now, let's take a closer look at the technical details of Moonlight. First, mechanical characteristics. At FLEXIVERSE, we always design with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Built from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, Moonlight has 3 degrees of freedom and a simple, intuitive, compact appearance. For ease of cleaning and enhanced reliability, Moonlight is IP65 rated it can withstand jets of water, humidity, and extreme temperatures. This makes Moonlight perfect for working environments where regular cleaning is essential. Second, robotic characteristics. Compared to the speed and 4 kg payload of the Ryzen 4, Moonlight has an improved payload of 7 kg and doubles the speed to 1.5 meters per second. When operating at a lower speed, its payload can be up to 12 kg. Apart from the increased speed and higher payload, Moonlight's superior force control enables its 3 force control joints to complete tasks naturally, smoothly, stably, whether it's a picking and place, fastening, and grinding. Thirdly, workspace. Moonlight has a reach of 800 mm in diameter and 400 mm in height, and a positional repeatability of 0.03 mm, which can cover most of the working conditions in production line scenarios. Fourth, safety. In terms of stability and reliability, Moonlight also uses Ryzen safety features such as dual-channel cross-check, making it PLD Category 3 compliant. Meanwhile, it uses EtherCAT communication to control the movement of each axis and features safety precautions and mechanisms to improve safety and reliability during operations. After introducing the specs, now let's dive into the unique benefits offered by Moonlight. First, interoperability. When designing Moonlight, we want to ensure that it can meet the different automation needs of our customer. That's why the robot is designed with a hollow flange for the installation of integration modules and is compatible with various end-of-arm tools and vision systems. Second, versatility. Moonlight can be mounted horizontally, vertically, or at any other angle as needed. Its mounting flexibility enables ultra-efficient space utilization, allowing it to be operated in a variety of working environments, even in confined spaces. The versatility of Moonlight allows it to be widely used in a myriad of applications across different industries. 2 product solutions are provided to meet the need of our customers: payload enhanced and speed enhanced. Users can choose a solution in accordance with their usage scenarios. Third, usability. For maximum usability, Moonlight can be programmed using FLEXIVE elements or FLEXIVE RDK to complete different tasks. If operators want to get more hands-on, zero drag teaching mode is also supported, allowing them to smoothly move the robot to desired position by dragging the end effector. We have been performing extensive testing on Moonlight to make sure that's ready for our customers. So finally, I'd like to share with you its outstanding performance in the test. As we all know, screw fastening is commonly used in electronic industries. Where careful handling is critical, a circuit board can be easily damaged by screws. Thanks to its high-precision force control, Moonlight performed well in screw fastening test, completing assembly task safely, accurately, and efficiently. As is the case for Ryzen, Moonlight is particularly suitable for surface treatment applications, including polishing, grinding, deburring, sanding, and other material removal tasks. It demonstrated excellent efficiency and performance in the grinding test. In sum, Moonlight has been engineered from the ground up to combine the best features of the adaptive robot Ryzen with the design elements and functionality of Delta robots. If we were to compare Ryzen and Moonlight, it would be fair to say that Ryzen is a multi-purpose robot with excellent all-around capability, whereas Moonlight is a specialized robot focusing on a specific set of tasks. We believe that Moonlight is the ideal cost-effective solution for force control applications requiring only 3 degrees of freedom. It offers the same level of performance as Ryzen, but with less complexity, lower cost, higher payload, and faster speed. With its industry-leading force control and AI system, Moonlight can complete both simple and complex tasks with ease and allow users to quickly deploy and execute programs as needed. Especially in production line scenarios, Moonlight can significantly reduce the operational cost, increase efficiency, and improve productivity. We are planning to release Moonlight in the third quarter of 2023, and it is now open for reservation. That's all I want to share with you today. Thank you.
Thank you, Xuesen. Whether it's the Ryzen series or our new Moonlight series, we are constantly working towards creating a robot with a similar manipulation capability to that of a human. To make this happen, though, more than an arm is needed. We need to mimic a human hand, but with elegant enough design. And this is the motivation for developing our own gripper.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan. At FLEXIVE, we've created some of the world's most advanced robotic grippers by combining bio-inspired research with our revolutionary force control technology. We've named this new series of grippers the Grav, with two versions, Grav and Grav Enhanced. The capabilities of Grav extend beyond those of typical robot grippers, thanks to FLEXIVE's ultra-precise force sensors, extremely responsive force control algorithms, and a unique grip-enhancing material inspired by gecko lizards. With its ability to grasp and manipulate nearly any object, Grav provides robot operators with more flexibility in their automation applications. The first of our new grippers that we'll take a look at today is the Grav. With the universal mounting system, Grav is compatible with any modern robotic platform. Furthermore, Grav integrates seamlessly with our Ryzen robot. It's entirely plug and play. No need for any complex setup procedures. We designed Grav with the priority of integrating high precision force control, which sets it apart from other two-finger grippers. The advantages of Grav are comprised of three key features. The first of these features is stable gripping force. Even when a grasped object changes size or shape, Grav maintains constant grip strength with a control resolution of 0.5 newtons. This highly precise force control allows Grav to grasp a wide variety of fragile objects without causing any damage. Grav's second key feature is its ability to modify grip force in a highly controllable manner. This feature enables reorientation of objects for improved task completion. Finally, Grav is fast and highly responsive. Capable of closing its fingers at a speed of 200 millimeters per second while maintaining precise force control, Grav is among the fastest reacting grippers on the market. Working in combination with our adaptive robot arm, Grav enables a variety of exciting applications. For example, if one of the gripper's fingers makes contact before the other while grasping a workpiece, the robotic system can adapt to the position of the workpiece in order to grasp compliantly. This capability can lead to a dramatic reduction in damage rate. Grasping flat, low-profile objects, like credit cards, is also possible, thanks to the system's wrist compliance, which allows for the gripper's fingers to maintain constant contact with the workbench during grasping. Another example that demonstrates Grav's full functionality is light bulb installation. Installing light bulbs may be simple for humans, but for robots, it's quite a challenging task, requiring force-controlled gripping, reorientation, probing, and delicate assembly. Our ultra-precise force control has also enabled us to develop a teleoperation capability with real-time force feedback and high transparency. Grav is designed for industrial use, so we've ensured that it achieves an ingress protection rating of IP67. This makes it ideal for applications spanning a wide range of temperatures and humidity levels. A watertight seal allows Grav to operate for years without maintenance, with a projected lifespan of tens of millions of open-close cycles. Additionally, Grav meets all of the collaborative robotic safety requirements outlined in ISO TS 15066 and weighs less than 900 grams out of the box. Simply put, Grav is one of the best robot grippers currently available. Now, you may have noticed that I just said that Grav is one of the best grippers available, not the best available. Well, there's a good reason for that. We've taken what makes the Grav great and added something more. If your gripper has ever failed to pick up a large object or an object with curved surfaces, or a soft object that requires a gentle grasp without tight squeezing, then you know how frustrating these types of objects can be. Typical grippers struggle with these objects for one simple reason, which is that they don't generate enough friction. This is the problem which we set out to solve with Grav Enhanced. While designing this gripper, we took inspiration from nature by mimicking a creature that can adhere to practically any surface, the gecko. Grav Enhanced features an artificial gecko adhesive material, which can generate strong friction forces thanks to the microscopic silicone patterns on its surface. As a result, our gripper has the capability of super friction. This allows for the gripper to lift objects weighing several kilograms with only a gentle squeeze. And our gecko adhesive material works just as well in reverse. Releasing objects is as simple as removing the gentle squeezing force and pulling the gripper away. The Grav Enhanced supports two working modes. Two-finger force control mode, which allows for standard, rigid grasping, as well as gecko grasping mode, which enables enhanced super friction grasps. As a result, Grav Enhanced is as strong and reliable as a typical parallel gripper and as adaptable and versatile as a soft gripper. The bimodal capability of Grav Enhanced makes it supremely adaptable in the field. It eliminates the need for tool changeovers, even when dealing with a wide variety of objects that normally require different grippers. Specifically, there are three noteworthy advantages which set Grav Enhanced apart from its competitors. First is the gripper's versatility. Unlike ordinary grippers, Grav Enhanced can grasp objects many times larger than itself. It can also grab objects with curved surfaces that are challenging for two-finger grippers. The second advantage of Grav Enhanced is its ability to effectively grasp delicate and deformable objects without tight squeezing, which is challenging even for other adaptive grippers. This advantage is best highlighted by example. For instance, grasping a water balloon. The gripper's third advantage is that it can maintain a firm grasp on objects of all shapes and sizes, allowing for manipulation in 6 degrees of freedom. Unlike other adhesion-based solutions, such as suction cups, Grav Enhanced can resist external forces and moments, generating grasps without slack or instability. This enables Grav Enhanced to perform a wide variety of complex tasks beyond simple pick and place. To put it simply, Grav Enhanced can grasp and manipulate anything that can be grasped by Grav, as well as a whole lot more. With superior force control, a broad stroke length, and outstanding versatility, both Grav and Grav Enhanced are essential in creating a highly flexible automation solution, capable of handling whatever you throw at it. Both grippers are available for pre-order starting in the second quarter of this year. Don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested in upgrading your robotic handling ability. Thank you for your attention. Now I'll hand things over to Shichuan.
Thanks for that, Ryan. Last year, we released our Noema general-purpose AI system. As a robot brand that is built on both cloud and edge devices, Noema can process information based on an adaptive robot's vision and force perception, providing a powerful platform for users to develop a wide variety of AI solutions and efficiently deploy on the robots. Now let's go over to Chongzhao for an update on the progress we have made with Noema.
Hi, my name is Chongzhao Mao. I'm here to tell you a little about the Noema AI system and how it can be used in various industries with adaptive robots to solve automation problems and reduce the cost of development and deployment. We have developed 3 Noema products that can work together to create an AI solution with full lifecycle management. This covers data governance, model training, graphical task editor, solution deployment, and debugging. Noema Cloud is the first Noema product I would like to introduce today, created to aid AI development and to be used as management software. Noema Cloud provides robust data processing, model training, and management capabilities. With the ability to iterate, manage, and download model results in the form of modules or projects, users can create their own custom AI models or get pre-made AI solutions from Noema Cloud directly. Second, we have the Noema Edge software. As a web-based terminal deployment program, Noema Edge can develop, configure, and deploy different applications while analyzing log results automatically. Users can complete the deployment of pre-made applications easily, or use AI models and traditional computer vision algorithms to arrange complex problems with the help of the graphical task editor. Third on the list is the Noema Edge controller, an AI device that is optimized to work with FLEXIVERSE product ecosystem. Next, I would like to introduce how the Noema system works in 2 real-world cases. The first case is an application of screw hole detection. By following 2 simple steps, the application can be deployed on-site. Step 1 has the end user download the application of screw hole detection from the Noema Cloud, which provides a list of pre-made applications already. The second step concerns configurations and testing. Noema Edge has preset environment parameters to work with FLEXIVERSE products, with built-in common camera supports and automated calibration interface. After the application of screw hole detection has been imported, basic parameters for the robot can be set in elements, and now we are ready to go. Optionally, like in any automation process, users may be interested to adjust the application parameters. Again, this can be accomplished via the interactive visual interface for maximum efficiency and ease. By following the above 2 basic steps, the AI application deployment is complete. We made the whole process as simple as possible so that even inexperienced users could commission a system quickly and easily. In fact, one of the key benefits of Noema system is increased deployment efficiency and reduced commission time. For complex AI projects, the Noema Cloud can aid in generating AI models, and the Noema Edge graphical task editor can let you complete the development easily. Suppose we need to solve a program of placing a salt package within the box in a particular orientation. In that case, we could use a camera to capture an image of the package, and then use the AI model to understand the workspace. This understanding is enabled via inference analysis, which combines image processing with AI models and machine vision methods to confirm package orientations and pickup point. The first step in creating our application will be dataset processing. After the dataset has been synchronized to a Noema Cloud, manipulation can be completed using a data playground function, which can label, split, clean up, augment, and type convert multiple datasets using a completely graphical code-free user interface. The second step will be creating an AI model. To start the model training, a user has to select the suitable deep learning models with the target datasets. The third step will be model evaluation. As the NUMA cloud is equipped with various AI evaluation tools, it can provide comprehensive performance reports and online testing functions. This lets users clearly understand the model's performance while enabling increased efficiency via the optimization guidance function. Once the model meets expectation, we can go to the next step. The fourth and the final step is the operator workflow design. With NUMA Edge Task Editor, the AI model can be combined with traditional machine vision algorithms to arrange complex problems in the way of graphical interface. At the same time, NUMA Edge Analysis tool can be used to locate any potential problems quickly and improve continual development of models and applications. There are just a few of the functions and features I have introduced from these two cases. More functions will be available when our product is released. Now, our NUMA-based AI solutions have been widely used in multiple industries in the past few years. Here's a video demonstrating the NUMA system to clarify what can be a tricky subject to understand. In addition to the typical applications you have just seen, we have also conducted cutting-edge research that allow us to push the boundaries of what a robot can achieve. One example of this would be the AnyGrasp system. Developed as a vision-based general grasping algorithm, an adapted robot equipped with the AnyGrasp package can directly grasp previously unknown objects at high speed without modeling or training. The AnyGrasp algorithm can empower an adapted robot to pick up over 850 objects per hour, which is as nearly as fast as a human, and 3 times faster than the DexNet-4 algorithm. Enabling deformable and soft objects to be picked up, AnyGrasp does not require high-precision cameras and can adapt to various backgrounds and lighting conditions. Even moving objects can be picked up by a robot, thanks to AnyGrasp tracking ability. I've only introduced a fraction of what NUMA can accomplish, but suffice to say, NUMA represents a revolution in robotic artificial intelligence. We will continue developing the NUMA system, increasing its capabilities and automating processes wherever possible, so that NUMA system becomes increasingly easy to use. Our ambition is to remove the skill-based barrier and enable everyone to create an automation application. This version of NUMA system is set to be released in June 2023, and we look forward to your feedback.
Thanks, Chongzhao. Now you have seen our new robotic arm, hand, and brain. You are probably thinking, that's great, but what do these advancements bring to the table? How do they make a robot do a better job? In the past several years, we have been learning from our customers, studying their real needs by doing a lot of on-site projects, and continuously iterating and perfecting our robots. To illustrate the advantages of our human-inspired design, we are going to look at the task that most robots find very challenging, the surface treatment, and see how FLEXIVERSE technology overcome the inherent difficulties of the job. Hi, Shuyun.
Hi everyone, I'm Shuyun. Surface treatment is one of the most fundamental techniques in the manufacturing industry. And it's also very difficult to automate the process. There are a few common pain points in sanding and polish application. First, to achieve the good sanding result, most of the time it requires both high precision and force control accuracy. Second, it takes lots of time to fine-tune the trajectory and usually cannot be generalized to different cases, which means that the value of automating the sanding process is limited. Besides, under high vibration working conditions, it significantly reduces the life cycle of the robot and its peripheral device. Sanding application involves a different polish or grinding tool. The tool could be passive, motorized, even pneumatic. The way you choose the right tool usually depends on the shape of the object, and it could be the flat surface, curved surface, or even the edge. This results in lots of different kinds of working conditions and requires different robotic sanding and polishing techniques. We summarize a few must-have robot features to ensure the quality and consistency in sanding applications. We start developing our interactive contour tracking algorithm 2 years ago. And over time, with a lot of hardware, we have upgraded to the trajectory learning technique. This enables the robot to quickly and precisely follow the complex surface through its force control technique, making it ideal for irregular surfaces like cardboard, which often have a radius and a curve profile. When the robot starts a grinding task, it records its position and real-time force information. Based on the several trial data, the robot automatically iterates its control strategy and uses a self-learned parameter to complete the task. By leveraging the whole body toe control, our robot can perform a much better curved surface following. From the experimental result, the robot can smoothly follow the high curvature surface. This is also the most critical technique for polishing or sanding curved surface objects. Here, we demonstrate a high-speed sanding task with both passive and active sander. Currently, the robot can reach 800 millimeters per second maximum linear sanding speed. In some cases, we can even go up to 1,000 millimeters per second. The most important thing is that even though the robot is performing high-speed motion, the force control accuracy of our Ryzen can still reach a precision of 0.6 Newton. Here, we demonstrate how the robot rejects those external disturbances while executing the polish or sanding task. Let's take a workshop for example. The robot needs to face all kinds of disturbance. It could be the vibration of the workbench, the vibration of the robot stand, or even the vibration of the sander itself. In order to ensure sanding and polishing quality, it's very critical that the robot has the ability to tolerate or reject those disturbances. Imagine trying to sand a curved object, let's say a guitar. It might be difficult, time-consuming, or even tedious, but you probably can do it. Now imagine doing the same job, but your elbow is locked or your wrist cannot move. This could reduce your arm's degree freedom from 7 to 6. That's the reason that Ryzen have a 7-degree freedom, which allows it to manipulate the object in a similar way to a human. This not only helps the robot to have a precise force and speed control, but also help the robot to avoid the singularity. Adaptive robot presents many advantages when it comes to sanding and polishing application. For example, it can meet a wider range of needs. Ryzen have the ability to dynamically adjust the stiffness. This variable stiffness allows the robot to execute the high stiffness task like grinding or polishing on an automobile component. On the other hand, Ryzen is also capable of lowering the stiffness and completing the earphone polish with just 0.5 Newton force. Thanks to the high force control response, Ryzen can perform polishing or sanding on the workpiece with different curvature or different surface friction. All of these examples demonstrate how Ryzen can be applied to different surface treatment applications. We were also able to integrate a self-learning algorithm which enables the robot to adjust the controller strategy based on the sensor feedback. This again improves the robot's fine force control capability and increases the polishing efficiency. In our cell phone polish project, thanks to Ryzen's high dynamic force control accuracy, it actually achieves 1 Newton force accuracy in linear motion and only have 2 to 3 Newton fluctuation when the robot engages the contact. With this capability, Ryzen can significantly reduce the chance of over-polish. This high efficiency was further demonstrated when we used the Ryzen in insulator grinding project. During our test and verification process, even though the task is difficult, we found that the dynamic force control accuracy could still reach 1 to 2 Newton, and this completely meets the requirement of this grinding task. With FLEXIVERSE element, we can quickly edit the robot motion and deploy the robot in the customer factory. By leveraging the force control capability, Ryzen have a high precision error tolerance. It does not require user to provide a precise trajectory. It can automatically compensate for the precision error from a few millimeters to a few centimeters. This also helps to make the deployment process much more efficient. When we start our aluminum testing and grinding project, as a result, we were able to complete the test not in 2 months or 2 weeks, but in only 2 days. In the laser winding project, we were able to complete the similar grinding test on the new customer product within just 1 day. Finally, the part where most people place the highest importance, cost effectiveness. Thanks to Ryzen built-in sensor, industry-leading force control, and seamless hardware and software integration, our surface treatment solution doesn't require additional sensor or compliance mechanism. This reduces the overall cost and provides a future-proof robotics platform that can be modified on a as-needed basis. When compared to a traditional robotics solution, we have calculated. Well, in general, our customer typically can save around 50%, or sometimes it can even go higher. Ryzen also have an external TCP function, which allows it to work with a giant sanding machine in the production line. Although sanding and polishing are the most common material removal tasks, we are constantly developing the new surface treatment techniques that are more efficient and consistent than anything a traditional robot or the human worker is capable of. Please stay tuned for more updates later.
I think we can all agree that it's quite impressive. Thank you, Shuyun. The development of the robotic industry requires continuous innovation in a complete and sustainable business ecosystem that includes all partners in the industry chain. Since FLEXIVERSE was founded, we have only worked with partners who can help us to raise the automation bar to a new height. We have been truly fortunate to work with many excellent customers, suppliers, channel partners, developers, and industry experts. I want to sincerely thank everyone we have worked with for their support, dedication, and passion for building a better robotics industry. Next, I'd like to welcome to the stage Yunfan to introduce our industry plan.
Hi everyone, this is Yunfan. It's a pleasure to be here today introducing FLEXIVERSE's ecosystem plan to the world. FLEXIVERSE has always been committed to using pioneering technology, which drives growth, improves efficiency, and increases productivity. To make this happen, we have worked with partners worldwide to establish sustainable long-term business growth. In the robotics industry, system integrators and end users often complain that complex applications are challenging to automate, testing and commissioning take too long, and replicating installations is always problematic. These pain points are difficult to solve with a traditional industry robot, but with our adaptive technology, it's far easier. This is because of 3 distinct differences: software, customer service, and the FLEXIVERSE community. FLEXIVERSE software platforms are easy to use, yet inherently powerful and versatile. Currently, we have the following: the FLEXIVERSE Elements visual task editing system, which has built-in drag and drop function blocks, so complex programs can be created quickly and easily by anyone. And the overall efficiency of field deployment will be substantially improved. The FLEXIVERSE Robotic Development Kit that was created for developers to take complete control of an adaptive robot and provide real-time control and monitoring. And the Noema Artificial Intelligence System, which simplifies the deployment of AI solutions and offers access to advanced AI resources. This system defines a brand new user experience when it comes to the fusion of robots and AI. Our software is constantly being updated and developed to enhance its performance. We are always looking for feedback and suggestions to make it better. So don't hesitate to let us know how you think it could be improved. The second difference is customer service. Our customers are at the very heart of everything we do because their success means our success. We class every partner, distributor, and end user as our customers. And we have a senior team of experts who can provide on-demand support and consultative services whenever and wherever needed. We are here for you, from initial design, testing, commissioning, to deployment and debugging. Of course, sometimes you want to learn how to do it yourself, and that's why we have launched the Adaptive Robot Training Center, which delivers high-quality on- and offline training courses tailored to a client's specific needs. FLEXIVERSE cloud service also provides our customers with a great way to install full-stack product services like facility management, license management, software upgrades, and additional features and functions, which make our customers' lives easier. Last, but by no means least, is the FLEXIVE community. Powered by the soon-to-be-launched FLEXIVE Hub, a community of integrators, R&D engineers, AI engineers, computer scientists, and like-minded individuals can share knowledge, ideas, and tips on how to get the most out of an adaptive robot. From hardware to software, we want to create an open environment where information is shared, questions are answered, and the knowledge is developed. I want to mention briefly how we are also focused towards mutual growth. As I said before, our partners' success means our success, and we drive our partners forward by providing them with industry-leading solutions and innovative applications that enable them to develop new markets. We are constantly searching out like-minded long-term partners who are not there to make a fast profit, but to revolutionize production environments and improve the well-being of workers around the world. If you think you or your company fit the bill, get in touch with us today. Okay, now for something completely different. I'd like to introduce a few of our ecosystem partners to you and let them share what they think about working with FLEXIVE.
FLEXIVE is a company pushing the boundaries of robotics research. From a hardware and software perspective, they are pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and control. Students in my laboratory often interact with FLEXIVE, and we find that that is very beneficial to them in their future careers.
Since I've co-founded Infinity Robotics, I've encountered a number of robot suppliers. I found FLEXIVE to be a company that constantly pushes the boundaries of what's possible with its robots. The company is excellent to work with, and its robots are on the cutting edge. Truly an adaptive robot. FLEXIVE is a great partner for us. They take the time to keep in contact with us, share knowledge, and most importantly, they ask us for feedback. I really appreciate that.
Although Todco has partnerships with other robotic manufacturers, we quickly realized that 60% of our current customer project could benefit from FLEXIVE's unique force features, and we acted accordingly. We have not been disappointed. Our standards for customer support are greater than typical industry standards, and so we need partners that have the same work ethic and desire to make sure the end user is successful. FLEXIVE is that partner. Regarding any issue, technical or otherwise, the FLEXIVE team is always ready to rapidly respond.
Hi, I'm Heidi from TICTEC Sustainable Technology. I'm the founder of this company. TICTEC is an agri-tech company that engages in design and development of the modern indoor farming systems. We build customized growth racks for our customers and machines that related to indoor farming systems such as seeding line, transplanting line, harvesting line, and packaging line. Within these systems, we need a robotics arm to do handling systems. Here we collaborate with FLEXIVE. FLEXIVE is more than just a robotics supplier to us. To TICTEC, they are a true partner who can provide information and assistance whenever needed. As integrators, it is our job to provide our clients with the highest quality of products and services, and FLEXIVE's knowledge and professionalism empower us to do this. FLEXIVE's continual growth and expanding product range are the testament to their passion, dedication, and industry expertise.
Greetings from Jacob at Mirka Shanghai. From our humble origins in northern Finland, Mirka has been a pioneer in sanding processes for 8 years. We are fully committed to bring our customers the best automated, dust-free sanding solutions available. With global industrial production increasingly demanding fully automated solutions, Mirka is very proud to work with FLEXIVE. We see us being in the forefront of integrated force control techniques and fully committed to AI and machine learning. Together, our two companies are excited to offer fully automated sanding solutions in the fields of automotive and 3C sanding.
I think I can thank all our partners on behalf of everyone here at FLEXIVE for their kind words. We appreciate everything our partners do for us, and I'm proud that the feeling is mutual. 2022 saw FLEXIVE invest resources in solving multiple pain points from various industries. This investment has enabled us to improve our software and create hardware that excels at turning pain points into gain points. We are creating a better, more productive future where men and machines work in harmony. A future where people who don't want to work like machines don't have to. We are creating an adaptive future. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the presentation.
Over the past hour, it has been an honor to share some of our latest products and technology with you. I'm happy to announce that our Moonlight adaptive parallel robot and our Graph force control gripper are now available for pre-order. Next month, FLEXIVE will attend one of the biggest automation events in North America, ATX West, and I hope to see some of you there. It has been a pleasure to explain our process of human-inspired innovation and the improvements we have made to our product portfolio. By pursuing a future where robots can automate repetitive, tedious, and dangerous tasks, we are trying our best to make people's work and life more creative and enjoyable with human-centered technology. See you at the next FLEXIVERSE.